Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. I just got my new LEGENDTEK paddle. This is raw carbon T700 series. Very excited. Look at this unboxing experience, the best I've ever seen. As you can see, it comes with this very nice paddle cover. Everything's placed in here nicely. It even comes with a paddle eraser. I haven't actually seen a paddle that comes with that yet. And here you've got grip tape if you want to add a little bit of extra thickness to the grip. I really like this LEGENDTEK branding. It fits the paddle face perfectly. And as you can see, you've got the logo down there. The grip looks very nice. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Here's what that eraser looks like. It's this very dense, spongy-like material. I've already used it on this other paddle, and it works like a charm. As you can see, that area right there, no more marks compared to right next to it. Here it is. As you can see, it's got a very sleek gray finish. It's got the LEGENDTEK branding there. This looks like a very premium paddle, and it definitely feels like one as well. You've got that very fine sandpaper-like feel to it, so you know it's going to produce some top spin. As you can see, 16 millimeters right there. The edge guard is on very firmly. You could tell that's not coming off anytime soon. As we weigh this, basically about 8 ounces. So that's a great weight, not too heavy, but also not too light. So it's going to produce some very, very nice hits.